fam, YouTube page, everybody. Today is Saturday. Erica's embarrassed because she just walked away. I don't care. We are inside Ikea. I don't know if you can tell. There's my family. I don't know where my family is. They left me. We are walking through Ikea. I just wanted to come and get some Swedish meatballs. And we need to get 2 nightstands for the girls' rooms and some lamps. There's baby Andre. And you thought that was me? We're sitting over there in the chair? There's the hubs. So we're walking through Ikea. We will do an Ikea haul later on in the video. See ya. This chair? Are you gonna move?
She couldn't even get
All right, come on, let's go. Aaron, let me see you outdoors. Say wee. Like whatever.
You want it? Take it? Go take it.
Let's see what we can find. You like it? Let's see what we can find. See what Nana can find for you.